Ever wondered why creative design templates are such a game changer? They can turn a blank canvas into a masterpiece with just a few clicks. Today, we're diving into one of the most user-friendly design tools on the market, Canva, and how to utilize its vast array of templates and styles. Imagine you're sitting down to create a poster for your pet grooming business, or maybe a flyer for your yoga class. Where do you start? With Canva, the answer is simple: templates. Canva offers a wide variety of templates, each tailored to different topics, from pets to yoga and everything in between. To access these templates, simply head over to the Templates section on Canva. A single click on your chosen template is all it takes to get started. There's an abundance of free templates to choose from, but for those looking for something extra special, Canva Pro users have exclusive access to Pro templates. But what about color? Font? Images? That's where the Styles section comes into play. Here, you'll find an assortment of color palettes, font sets, and image palettes. Each of these can be used to customize your chosen template to your liking. Want to change the color scheme of your template? Select a color palette from the Styles section and watch as your template transforms before your eyes. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about frames and grids. These tools allow you to create unique shapes and designs within your template. Frames can be used to crop photos into different shapes, offering a more creative touch to your design. And did you know that you can insert videos into your frames? Yes, you heard right. Add a touch of motion to your design for that extra visual interest. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use Canva's templates and styles. Remember, these are just tools to help you get started. The real magic lies in your creativity and how you choose to use these tools. So why wait? Dive in and start creating with Canva today.